Hey everyone, so as I want to improve the quality of the videos I post on my YouTube channel, I've started using now, instead of just my iPhone to taking selfies, I'm using now my Canon EOS M3. And one of the challenges is if you want to record videos of yourself, you know, it's got just this tiny little video shot button that you have to use. And if you want to do a selfie, it's difficult to operate. And also, of course, if you want to put it on a tripod or anywhere else, then I have to reach back and take to start a video. So not ideal. So then I went online, I bought a remote, but I couldn't work out really how to start the remote. It took me some time to get it actually started, to get it working with this Canon. So I thought I'd record this video for you to show you how to do that. So this is the remote. It's a standard Canon. It's actually not an original Canon, otherwise it would have a logo Canon there, but I bought it cheaply from eBay. You can get it on Amazon or anywhere. Just do Canon for EOS cameras. And this remote control, how do you set it up? So let me show you how to set it up. So first of all, you need to switch on your camera. So this would work the same way with all EOS M cameras, so M2, M3, M10, or even M100. So what you need to do, start the camera and then hit this center IQ set button, and then where you have the menu for delete the timer shutter, yeah, this one, the timer, so you know you can set it to take the photo in 10 seconds or something. Then you need to go tap on this remote icon. Yeah, you see that? So you tap on that one. So now, I don't know if you can see. Now if I go back, I have this little icon showing me, oh, okay, there it is, showing me it's now on remote control. So now, there are two ways this is gonna work, and this is another useful tip for you. If you have it on standard, you know, photo shooting, one of the photo shooting settings, like auto intelligence or whatever it's called, the intelligence shooting, any auto settings, then clicking on this will take a picture. It has two settings on the back. One is a 0, 2 is a 2. If you put it on 2, it's got a 2-second delay before it takes the photo. If you put it on 0, on the dot, then it just as soon you hit the button, it's gonna take the photo. Yeah. Now, if you want to record video, took me a bit time to get it work it out. So here's how you record a video. So if I put it on the video setting here, so on this one, if I put it on the video setting, this is M3. Some others you have to go into menu to switch it to video mode. Now on the video mode, if I switch this to 2, on this 2 setting, now I will record video. Yeah, so if it's on 2, if I hit here, now I should start recording video. See? And now I stop it. So that's how you start video. If I switch it back to 0, then it will just take a picture. All right, hope you found that useful, and see you on the next video. Have a great day.